Hello, people. Okay, we are hiking behind Snow Valley, we believe, and we just came across a second lake. This is the second lake that we found, and then I'll show you the first one in a second when we walk back. But I just decided that we need to vlog this because this is so cool. We're not sure if they're natural ponds or if they're like man-made. Honestly, we are seeing a bunch of signs that are saying like no trespassing, but we don't know for sure because we see other people here too, so we don't know. But yes, it's really cool. I want to show you guys. I'm so like fascinated by like water and like why it's all these different colors everywhere. It's so weird. Look at this bee doing its job, pollinating the world, being a legit amazing thing. That is so cool. There's so many in this tree. It smells like weed right here. I wonder if it's I wonder if it's this plant in particular or like a skunk.
Trichomes.
Oh, it focused. That's so cool.
That's a good camera.
Like surveying us. I love all the plants around here. Yeah, it is honestly so nice back here. I cannot get over it. Look at this gorgeous lake behind me. Like, it's so cool. Now, we heard that there is a third lake. We have no idea where it is, but I would love to find it. Oh my god, that is so gorgeous. Oh. I love it back here. We found a rope swing. Alright, go, babe.
I don't know which way to fucking jump off.
Oh my god, whoa. Whoa.
That's fucking tight.
Okay, I don't know if you can see, but there's a straight up school of fish right there.
This is probably literally like 1,000.
I'm way too scared to do this, but I like watching him do it. I seriously am way too scared. Oh my god, what are you gonna do? What if I was like, I can't stop recording?
How would I literally do that?
You would have to fall in. You'd have no choice. That'd be so funny.
Are you recording on Insta?
Yeah, no. For my vlog.
I think if I...
This is so cool back here. I'm gonna pack a bowl, okay? Alright, we're blazing.
I don't know what time it is, but it might be 4:20.
Oh my gosh. Wait.
What's that, little chimpito?
Did you hear that? That was insane.
It's like it was like swooping down at us.
Yeah, Billy just brought up such a good point. We always come across random ass rope swings. We were hiking in these woods one time and we were literally in the middle of fucking nowhere and we just came across this rope swing and it was so cool. And then this one too. Pretty random stuff. Oh my god, Billy just found a little
We
frog.
should keep this little guy.
Hey.
Hi, what you doing, buddy?
Oh my god, that's so cool. Hey. Hey. Dude, he's looking at me. Whoa. What's up, dude? That is so cool. Wow.
He's just chilling.
Where did he? Okay. Bye, bud. Dude, you were so cool. Honestly, guys, I kind of hurt him, so I'm done messing with him.
No.
But he was so cool.
Don't say that.
Later, little bud.
Whoa, look at this
You
thing,
were
it's
so
moving.
cool.
Look at this thing just moving.
Wow, we're finding a bunch of little creatures. This is so fucking cool. Look at these little slugs right here. They're everywhere. Oh my god, look at that one moving right there.
Oh wow, look, come here. Oh wow, I just put a little hermit and look, he's coming back now. He swam out there and now he's coming back.
Wow. Hey, dude. Wow, you can barely see him. He camouflages so well. Oh, wow, he's dipping now.
I want to find a big one. Look, watch when you step right here. Look at this thing right here.
Whoa. Okay, look at this, people. Step right there again. Okay, he steps right there and then that. That's weird. We are looking for frogs now because we want to look at them more. That was honestly so cool, huh, babe?
Yeah, that was really cool. I wonder what kind of frog that was.
I don't know. We saw two already, and now one was bigger than the other one, and they're just so fucking cute. Look at this little girl frog. Frog. Little girl duck. Oh, shit. Alright, then. No, I bet Champion scared her. Alright, we're leaving this beautiful lake on our way. This is how we got in here, by the way. I mean, I don't know. This is cool, but I'm not sure if we're allowed to be here. But I mean, it's really cool. Yeah. Okay. Had to show you guys this spot. Hold on. This is better. Got all these little greeneries. I don't remember what they're called. I can't think of the name of these. Wow, look at the moon. Beautiful. So gorgeous. Wow. Hi, Champion. Hi.
Is he being adorable?
Wow, those bathrooms stink. Okay. Gosh.
Yeah, let's get in here.
So we're looking at some information about the trail we were just on, and I think that these are the kind of toads that we saw. The mountain yellow.
Like southern replica.
Billy saw a snake, but we didn't get it on recording because it
This
flew
small
it
does
ran
have
away.
snake looks like an African earthworm.
Ooh, I would like to see a porcupine. Yeah, this is called the Children's Forest, by the way, if you really want to know. It's gorgeous. This is such a beautiful time right now. I cannot believe it. And it's so cool because we're the only people here. The moon is so vibrant right now. I cannot believe it. It's truly beautiful. Cute little birdhouse.